Did you know that replacing a car battery can lead to loss of vehicle computer settings? The X5 is not just a reliable jump starter, it also protects your vehicle's computer settings. Connect the Wha-Power X5 to ensure all settings remain intact. Wha-Power X5, the mechanic's dependable partner. Choose the Wha-Power X5, simple, safe and efficient. CSP Wha-Power is solution for all batteries. It only not solve your battery problem, but it saves your computer system that connected with batteries. It's reliable, it's useful and portable. You can use it anywhere, anytime.